Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can create an account on N26. You can use the referral link given in the description below for 5% discount on every transfer. So let's get started. What you'll do for the first time is that go to the app store and search for N26 and download an app that is legit. Make sure it is the legit app first of all, and after downloading that, just click on open. Once you open that, you'll be asked to sign up for your account. So you can hit the button and enter your personal details in order to create your account. You can write down your email address and set up a password for that, and after that you will be asked for the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just you can either click on that button that is given on your email, or you'll have to write down the code on your N26 account. Once done, you have to verify your identity. In order to verify your identity, you need to have a valid ID card at hand, and then they don't have branches, so you can verify your identity within the app. So most probably they're gonna ask you for the picture of your ID, of the both sides of your ID, front and back, and after a while they'll just write that down in their system and verify whether it is authentic or not. The step 3 is add your card to your wallet. So your N26 virtual debit card is ready to use and you can add that to your wallet. After that, all you have to do is just enjoy your N26 account and you're good to go. You can already top up your account and start using your virtual card. Once again, you can use my referral link given in the description below to avail 5% discount on every bank transfer. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget